Karachi is the capital of the province of Sindh and the most populated city in Pakistan, sometimes known as the city of Baba Quaid-e-Azam, after Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. The site of an ancient community of fishing villages, the modern port city of Karachi was developed by authorities of the British Raj in the 19th century. Upon the creation of Pakistan in 1947, the city was selected to become the national capital and was exposed to a massive influx of immigrants from India, which radically expanded the city's population and transformed the demographics and economy. Karachi is an amazing place, a business hub. Karachi have modern industries and businesses. Amazing is Karachi. The area that now consists of Karachi was originally a group of small villages including Kalachi-jo-Kun and the fort of Manora. And the history of Karachi prior to the 19th century is a bit sketchy. It is said that city called Krokola, from which one of Alexander the Great admirals sailed at the end of his conquest, was the same in Karachi. When Muhammad bin Qasim came to Indian subcontinent, I must say, in the year 712, he captured the city of Debul. It has been said that Debul was the ancestral village of present-day Karachi. Karachi is the financial capital of Pakistan. It is also home to the largest stock exchange of Pakistan. Most Pakistani banks have their headquarters in Karachi. Most of these are located on the II Chandigarh Road. Amazing is Karachi. Unique is Karachi. Karachi is a melting pot of peoples and culture. Before 1947, the city was inhabited mainly by people from the areas near the city. The people basically being Sindhis, Balochis, Makranis and Gujaratis. In 1947, most of the city's Hindu population left and a large number of immigrants, Muhajir, came from India.